Hey everyone, this is Scott Leroy of Scott Leroy Marketing coming in for another weekly tip. And today's tip is how an existing agent can take advantage of everything that we have to offer, or some of the top items that you can take advantage of immediately. Obviously, there's a plethora of items that you can utilize at any time, but these are going to be the top 3 things I would highly suggest as an existing agent to go through and utilize right away. So first thing first, I always suggest this if you're an existing agent in the office under the scottleroymarketing.com website. Once again, be sure to sign in with your Market Center number through the login feature on the right-hand side, and that'll give you access to everything under Agent Resources. Now, the biggest thing under Agent Resources, I highly suggest doing at least once a year. Now, ideally, doing it on your anniversary with the office would be perfect, or if you want to do it twice a year, that's no problem. But under the questionnaire section, we have a tech refresh option. This is meant to be for any agent that has been with KW for a little bit of time, maybe 6 months to a year, and is basically saying, if I was to start again brand new today, what all is different that I might not know about that I could utilize? So we're going to take a look at your account. We're not going to change anything you have set up, but we're going to look for some of the items that maybe are new that you didn't know were accessible that you can use, or we're also going to take a look at some of the other items that we're now setting up that maybe we weren't doing previously. All right, so maybe it's some external items outside of the KW platforms that we're now setting up for agents that you'll have access to that you could take advantage of. So all you'll have to do is click on this tech refresh option on here. This is going to take you over to our existing questionnaire. You'll just specify I'm already at KW needing a refresh. It'll say time for a tech refresh, and then you can just let us know if you're a staff member, admin, or a leader just for us to double check. And then you can start with this right away. Now, just a reminder, if you fill this out, we're not going to change anything you already have set up. So even though it might ask, what would you like as your KW email? What do you want as your KW website? If you have those set up, those are going to remain as is. We're just going to look for anything that may not be set up quite yet to get that up and running for you right away. All right, so that is step 1, because that is a great overall overview of everything that could be accessible and how can I take advantage of it. Now, step 2 is to really dive into the support aspect on here. Now, this is a little bit of a stretch because the support section on here is going to offer 50 plus free services that you can utilize, but this will allow you to go through and see what else do you need help with. So as an existing agent, this is where you can see the 1 to many option of here's the 1 section support to many 50 plus free items we can do for you. So say, for instance, you've never really utilized Command and you were using a different CRM before and you want to move your database over, we can help with that. Maybe you are getting into marketing and you want us to send out a newsletter. All right, we can do that as well too. Maybe, you just had a new headshot taken and you want us to update that. Or maybe you're going through and you were on a team and you now have left that team and you need us to adjust everything for you. Or heck, maybe you're just trying to dive into your website even more and you want to adjust it. This will help out even more on here to make your life a little bit simpler. And then, of course, if you do go through the questionnaire section and tech refresh, these 4 items will automatically get set up for you so you won't have to worry about them. So that's the best part about this. Now, the reason I say this is a little bit of a one-to-many situation is because, once again, even though I'm saying you're looking for support, well, these are free items we can do for you, so now you can specify what you want done. So maybe you just want a website enhancement, you want every page possible added inside, and you didn't do the existing agent questionnaire. Well, then this will allow just from these few minor items for us to be able to sign in and get everything done for you right away. Now, you can also go to the bottom of every page and find our contact info. So if you have any issues, questions, or concerns on any of the KW tech, you can also reach out to us and think of us as an extra tech staff member in the office to make your life that much easier. All right, so we can help out with these items right away too. So even if it's not a specific support item that you want done, like this one I'm looking at right now, but maybe just a troubleshooting item, we can help with that right away too. All right, and then the final thing on here is really up to you. So then if you want to go through and say, I want to learn a little bit more through the trainings, well, we have training classes every Monday through Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Central, so on and so forth, depending on your time zone. We even have a 30-day challenge of what you can do in the next 30 days to ensure you're utilizing everything possible if you're more of a go-getter that wants to mark things off. If you want to view these at your own time and your own speed, we also have our recorded training classes on here where you can access them at any time, 24/7, all alphabetically organized to find the type right away, and then chronologically organized to find the most recent class immediately. right? Heck, or we even have all of our marketing support services. So I know I highlighted the monthly newsletter. We can even take that newsletter, convert it into a blog. We have an agent concierge section on here. So if you have some listing collateral you want created, we can make this for you right away. All right. Or of course, we also happen to have our Gemini Advanced ChatGPT prompts and even some Canva templates you can use. So once again, the best part about this is all these items under this agent resources section are all free for y'all to use. And we can help you out whether you've been there for 1 day or 10 plus years. Anywhere in between there, we can make your life that much easier. All right, so remember, it's just scottleroymarketing.com. You'll sign in with your Market Center number, and then feel free to take advantage of anything under this agent resources section. So there you go. So hopefully this will help to get a better idea of how you can utilize all of our services. Hopefully this will make your life a little bit easier, and I look forward to helping you out very soon. Have a great day.